Dan Shelp. I'm Director of Engineering here at Melron. Melron's located here in Schofield, Wisconsin, which is about the central part of the state. It's kind of the hub for window fenestrations, window making, commercial, residential, wooden, and aluminum. We had a customer approach us. They were in the final design stages of their window, and they were looking for a piece of hardware of ours to put onto the window. So what we did is sit down with them, looked at their drawings, looked at their crucial dimensions, then we made a 3D model of the actual part and printed it off on the prototype machine and sent that to the customer for approval. They got back to us right away and said, yep, absolutely, that's great, ready to go. Problem is we have a very tight deadline, so can we speed up to get cast products to us? This is our pattern shop. Once the rapid prototype is approved by the customer, what we'll do is a mini insert on a pattern. So we're not doing a full production tooling. We will actually throw, in this instance, a left and right handle on a mini pattern, mount that into a match plate, which we will then cast to get actual physical cast samples of the part to then send to the customer for approval. Once we get approval from the customer, we have a blank aluminum billet that we machine the inserts out on our CNC or bridge ports for mounting of the FDM insert. Once these are printed off, we mount them in, and then we then start our post sanding and any other processes we need to be able to make the actual part. The challenges with the traditional method were that you had longer lead times and you were pretty much set on what you had with your match plate because it's being machined out of aluminum, where with the plastic you're set, but at a very low cost we can then reprint something off, change our parting lines, change where we're putting gating in very effectively. With that particular project for the FDM, we saved about $3,000 per pattern, as well as about 2 to 3 weeks actually of lead time on the actual production tooling. Made them want to come back to us again because it was a very easy process to work with. By using the FDM machine and material, it's really revolutionized how our business is. Being able to adapt quickly and provide a cost-effective part is instrumental in us going forward.